Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to get transparent taskbar in Windows 11. So first, open up your Microsoft Store and here go to the search box and we need to find here Lively Wallpaper. So search this one, click on enter, and here you'll find this app. So all you have to do is click on this one and download and install to your computer. Once you install this app, you just need to click on open and it will open this Lively Wallpaper app. Now here, as you can see, all you need to do is click on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right hand corner. And then here, go to System tab and then find the taskbar theme. As you can see, change system taskbar appearance. You can change it to clear, blur, fluent, wallpaper, and wallpaper fluent. So if you want to have a transparent taskbar, just need to choose the clear. But basically this feature development is on hold. So you just need to wait until we can use this feature on Lively Wallpaper. So that's how you basically get transparent taskbar in Windows 11. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.